How to add a dotted line in Figma. Hey there, design enthusiast, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to create a dotted line in Figma in a snap. Let's jump right in. First, grab the tool let's just go to the toolbar, and you can see either there's a line option over here, or let's say you can simply type in press the Alt key and draw a line on your canvas just like this. Make sure it's straight. Right, I think it's a little bit okay, no worries, I'll just show you. Okay, so once you've draw a tool, make sure you select the line first, and all you have to do is go to the stroke section and hit that plus icon. And it's kind of a bit tricky. All you have to do is you cannot see any style option in the stroke, right? So you have to go to this advanced stroke settings. It's almost like a filter, this icon basically. Tap into that and you can see a stroke style over here. Simply tap into the dashed option, and now you can adjust here the gap between dash, how many gap you want. I'll make it 4, or you can even choose a dash cap like this one, or you could rewind more like a cap round. You can also select how dash you want and stuff like that. So when satisfied, simply click, and there you have it. You have customized your dotted line, and just all you have to do is just follow along and use this technique to add flair to your designs. If you found this quick tip helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more design tutorials, and drop a comment on what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for tuning in.